How to fix YouTube library option not showing in YouTube. Hello everyone, it's me Vag, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can fix the YouTube library option not showing in YouTube. If any day you face a problem like this in YouTube, at first you have to find a YouTube application on your device and then you have to just tap on it for a while. After tapping on it for a while, now you have to go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, now you can see an interface like this here. Then you can tap on the option of notification and enable allow notifications and allow sound and vibration. Then you can tap on the option of permissions, and here you have to allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, notification phone, and photos and videos. Then you can go back and go to the next option, that is set as default. Here you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, now you have to tap on the option of storage here. After tapping on storage, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. Then tap on the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, if you see an interface like this here, you have to tap on the option of update if you see any option of update, and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.